Hello bakers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Are you interested in seeing how I made these beautiful galaxy themed cake? If the answer to that question is a yes, please stay to the end of this video to see how I achieved that amazing look. I start the process of making my beautiful galaxy themed cupcakes by mixing up my favorite and my go-to vanilla cake batter. I then colored the batter in 3 different colors, so 2 beautiful shades of blue and black. I then went on to layering the colors in my lined cupcake tin, starting off with 1 shade of blue. Then I add some black on top, then another shade of blue, and I'll continue this process until all my batter is finished and my cupcake liners are 2/3 full. While the cupcakes are in the oven baking, I'm now preparing to fill my piping bag with the different shades of buttercream. So just as I did with the cupcake, I'm using different shades of blue, some purple and some black to fill my piping bag to decorate the cupcakes. So this is some cling film I put out on my countertop, and I'm just layering the different colors of buttercream so that I'll fit the cling film inside of a piping bag, just rolling a sausage. Then I'll put it inside of a piping bag so that whenever I squeeze the piping bag, all the colors will come out at once and you'll get that beautiful mixed colored effect on all the cupcakes. So that's my piping bag with my favorite piping tip, my 1M piping tip, and I'm just fitting my sausage inside of the piping bag. Look at my beautiful cupcakes. They're out of the oven and they are cooled. And that's me piping onto them. Look at that beautiful piping. And look how all the colors are coming out of the one piping tip. So that's a technique you do when you want to get multiple colors out of the piping tip. Some of the cupcakes are looking a bit messy because I add some crushed up Oreos in the light blue buttercream, so they are stopping up the piping tip a bit and causing the piping to look a bit funny like that one. So I'm just going to go ahead now, clear the buttercream off. I use the cocktail stick to just push inside of the piping tip to push out some of the Oreos. So this is how I want all of them to look. Look at that beautiful rosette. Just watch again as I make that design on the cupcake. So I just started in the middle and went all the way around and come up smaller to the top. And that's how I achieved that piping with a 1M piping tip. Look at how beautiful these cupcakes are looking. I went ahead and I mixed up some silver luster dust. You can mix it with either lemon juice or some alcohol, either vodka or rum, anything that's clear. The alcohol will evaporate and just leave the silver paste. I went ahead and used a brush to splatter the silver luster dust mixture all over my cupcakes. Look at how amazing these cupcakes are looking. If you did enjoy this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Until next time, keep on baking.